concrete fans, welcome back to the Joy of Concrete. This is the channel where we explore the wonderful, amazing, beautiful world of concrete together. And if this is your first time to the channel, I'd encourage you to go check out other videos because this video is kind of jumping into the middle of a project. This is something where we do Will It Concrete. We take weird things, try to mix them in with concrete, see if it's still going to make concrete. I'm Mr. Concrete. And just about everything I do has something to do with concrete. So here it is, Will It Concrete. What are we revisiting today? Gravy. Will It Concrete gravy. And Will It Concrete gravy was gross. It was really, really disgusting. I smell awful. And this still stinks. Ugh, and look at the weird white on the bottom. This one's fine, but this is the one I put some extra water on the tiles as they were curing because I was concerned about water content and it having enough water, and it got weird white slime on the back, and then it turned into this. It's like a dusty funk. Oh, so Will It Concrete. This has had quite a few days to cure. This is why we revisit these projects, because maybe right off the bat, concrete, the gravy slows it down. But Will It Concrete gravy, I actually kind of know, you can see I've only got one tile left. So it's been a few days. But let me just, yeah. So no, if it breaks like that, it will not concrete. That's not good. Look at this. That's not concrete. It's like some concrete. This is like regular. Some concrete is like this after a few days, but gray matter shouldn't be. There's no way. Here's a regular gray matter tile. There's no chance I'm breaking this, no matter what I do. You're gonna have to take my word for it. Maybe I'm just faking. Oh, yarg! I'm faking this. Maybe I'm faking. I'm not faking. These are really strong. Put that back up into the super stack. Whoa. Super stack. But yeah, Will It Concrete test number 2. This might actually stay together. It's a very solid shape. It may not break apart. Let's see. I'm gonna interlock my fingers to increase my raw power. No, I'm not gonna break it. Actually, it's really hard to do. Okay. It's concrete-esque, but real wimpy. And like, yeah, doesn't really pass the scratch test either. I shouldn't be able to just chisel through it. This is like, yeah, I shouldn't be able to do that. It's just coming apart. So Will It Concrete, I'm gonna say no. This is stuck together, but no more so than mud. Like it's self-consolidated and it's dried to be solid to a degree. But it's not much stronger than just air-dried clay, really. So Will It Concrete? No, not to my standards. Sorry, everybody. If you got leftover gravy, you're not going to be able to make concrete out of it. Oh, awful, awful smelling concrete. No, don't do it. But it was fun. We experimented. And if you've got some ideas for something to Will It Concrete in the future, leave a comment below. If you like videos like this, if you like concrete, you could like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will make more concrete content videos for you. Fun, right? Maybe. Fun if you love concrete. If you don't love concrete, maybe this is a great introduction about how concrete can be weird. It's not just for stuffy old construction guys. It's for fun, super fun, crazy artists too. But yeah, concrete. You can have a lot of fun with it. We're going to have fun with it. We do have fun with it together on the Joy of Concrete. Goodbye, everybody.